Hello friends, this is my jungle and I have many animals, big, small. Today I'm going to show you the birds. See, which bird is sitting on my head? Yes, it's a parrot. And what the parrot says? Me too, me too. Where the parrot went? Oh, it's my new friend. It's a crow. Caw, caw. Oh, which bird sitting on my head? Yes, it's a sparrow. Which bird is near my friend zebra? Yes, it's a pigeon. One more bird. It always hands opposite direction. It's an owl. We can see this bird at night. See, here is one bird. It's a cock. Can't fly so high. Hi. Yes. Now it's a peacock. Peacock is a national bird. You know, children. Hi. My peacock is going to spread his feathers.
So children, you enjoy this introduction of birds? Now we'll do one activity. We are going to do the fingerprinting on the peacock feather. I will show you. So children, now we'll do fingerprinting on the peacock feather. I will show you how to do. See, you have to do like this fingerprint. Now we'll use different colors. See. So do this activity at home. Use different colors and do the fingerprint on the peacock feather. See. With the pointer finger. So children, complete like this fingerprint activity in the peacock feather. So children, complete this activity on the book, PBL book. I will show you the page number. Do this fingerprint activity on page number 75. Here peacock feather is there. You have to do fingerprinting on the peacock feather like this. Just now I have shown you this activity. Do this activity in the peacock feather. Complete this activity and share it on my mail ID. Bye bye.